1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Good morning and welcome to week 4 of our Parent Child Plus Family Child Care virtual visits. This week is Toy Week and we will be discussing 2 brand new toys for you to enjoy with your children. Our first toy is the self-correcting 1 through 20 number puzzle. This self-correcting number puzzle has a unique design for each individual puzzle piece that prevents incorrect matches, and it guides the children to a correct understanding of the relationship between written numerals and the actual quantities of objects. This toy has a lot of fun activities that you can do with your children. We can identify numbers. We can identify colors. We can identify and count the pictured items. We can sort by colors, categorize by animals, food, vehicles, and shapes. We can also encourage the children to match the number with the correct amount of pictured items. Remember, if it doesn't fit, encourage the children not to quit. This puzzle has a lot of pieces, so I encourage you to only use a few puzzle sets at a time because we don't want to overwhelm the kids with all of the pieces at once. Now I'm going to demonstrate a few extension activities that you will be doing with your children for this week's toy. We're going to identify the numbers, identify colors. We're going to identify the correct amount of each picture items, and we're going to see if they fit. But if it doesn't fit, Miss James is not going to quit. So first, let's start with the number 2. Can you show me 2 fingers? Can we count them? 1, 2. So let's find the right amount of picture items to go with the number 2. Let's see if that puzzle fits. So we have some crabs. Can we count the crabs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it fits. We have 4 crabs, but this is the number 2. Is this correct? No. Does it fit? No. Let's try again. What about bananas? Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. The number 2. Let's see if it fits. Does it fit? No. Are we going to quit? No. Let's try again. We have some baseballs. They go round and round in a circle. Let's count the baseballs. 1, 2. Number 2, 2 baseballs. Let's see if it fits. It fits. So we found 2 baseballs to match the number 2. Good job. Now we have the number 1. Let's find his match. We have pineapples. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pineapples. Number 1, 5 pineapples. Let's see if it fits. Does it fit? No. Are we going to quit? No. Let's try again. Number 1. Can you show me one finger? Good job. We have a tiger. Can you growl like a tiger? How many tigers do we have? 1 tiger for the number 1. Let's see if it fits. Yay! It fits. Good job, Math Whiz. Next we have the number 3. Can you show me 3 fingers? 1, 2, 3. Now let's find the pictures for number 3. Here we have 4 crabs, 4 red crabs. Let's see if it fits. Are we going to quit? Nope, we're not going to quit. We have bananas, 3 yellow bananas. We have the number 3. Let's see if it fits. Yay! It fits! We found the number 3 to match the 3 bananas. Now let's try number 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? Let's find the pictures to match the number 4. We have 4 crabs. Let's count the crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4 crabs. Let's see if it fits. It fits. Good job. Now we have the number 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? Let's find the picture items to match the number 5. Let's see if it fits. It fits. Did we quit? Nope. We kept trying until we got all the puzzle pieces. Give yourselves a hand. Now I'm going to share a number rhyme and formation poem with you. I'm only going to do numbers 1 through 10, but each of you will receive the same poem as well as for numbers 11 through 20. Are you ready? Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that is very quick. Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, 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 toot. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make a 3. Down and over, down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Straight line down, then around. hat on top, and 5 is a clown. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Make an S and do not wait. Go back up, and that's an 8. A loop and a line, that makes a 9. Straight line down, then around with a grin. That's the way to make a 10. Included in your packet will be 2 number activities that you can do to go along with this week's toy. The first activity is called the missing number activity. Children will practice filling in the number on the popsicle stick with the correct number on a clothespin. Children will build finger strength as well as motion control as they complete the number sequence. Just like the puzzle, you may not want to pull out all the popsicle sticks and all the clothespins at one time. Choose a few popsicle sticks and a few clothespins at a time so the children will not get overwhelmed with all of the pieces. For example, the number 3 is missing. So you'll encourage the children to find the clothespin with the number 3 on it. You'll also encourage the children to place the number 3 on the missing spot, like this. Once they've done that, encourage the children to complete the sequence by counting the numbers on the popsicle stick. Each popsicle stick has a missing number for each numbered 1 through 10, as well as the clothespin to go along with that popsicle stick. Our next activity is called the counting and number matching with paper cups. While doing this activity, children will practice counting while learning number recognition and one-to-one correspondence. This would be a perfect activity for your math centers in your classrooms as well. You can just make a few mats and have enough cups to go around, and children can work on this independently during centers. Each paper cup has a number on the bottom of the cup. So you'll encourage the children to identify the number and to find the number on each dot to place that cup. So if we wanted to find the dot to match the number 7, you'll encourage the child to count the dots. Give them a few options. So encourage the child to point at a dot and count those dots. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5 dots, but this is the number 7. So will we place the number 7 on 5 dots? No. Let's try again. Let's try this circle. Can we count the dots in this circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots, but the number 7 is on the bottom. So will we place the number 7 on 6 dots? No. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would we try that one? 10 dots for the number 7. No. Let's try one more time. What about this one? Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots for the number 7. Once the child has found the correct amount of dots to go along with its cup, encourage the child to place that cup on the dots. And you'll continue doing that until all of the dots are covered with the correct numbered cup. For this week's craft, we are going to make an artwork using the number 8. And we're going to make a spider. A creepy, crawly spider. Each child that can participate will receive the number 8, black construction paper to represent the leg, and another piece of construction paper to put their spider on. As always, I did not cut out the leg or the number 8 because I would like for the children to cut it on their own. That way they will be able to get the much needed practice for them to hold and operate a scissors. Encourage the children to cut the black construction paper into 8 pieces. They'll put 4 pieces on one side and 4 pieces on the other side. Once they're done, you can display the children's work for everyone to see. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. For our babies, they will be getting the jumbo knob puzzle. Each puzzle has a jumbo knob that will be easy for the babies or the infants to hold and to place the puzzle back into its puzzle piece. Once the children lift up the puzzle piece, they will be able to see that the picture is on the inside of the puzzle board. So it'll be easy for them to match the puzzle piece into the correct puzzle spot. We have the bus, the sailboat, the fire truck, the police car, the ambulance, a train, an airplane, and a helicopter. If you notice, each vehicle is placed on their correct mode of transportation. For example, all of the vehicles that fly are placed in the sky. The train is on the railroad track. The police car, the ambulance truck, the bus, and the fire truck are on the road. And the sailboat is in the water. One fun activity that you can do with these puzzle pieces is to encourage the children to make music. You can give the children 2 puzzle pieces and encourage them to clap the pieces together. You can also teach opposites. Encourage the children to clap softly, loud, slow, or fast. This is the way we say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. This is the way we say goodbye at the end of the day. So today we played with 2 new puzzle toys. For our older children, we played with the number puzzle. When we play with the puzzle, we identify numbers, colors, we identify the pictures, and we match the puzzle pieces to the correct picture. And we also learned that if it doesn't fit, we are not gonna quit. For our infants, we played with the jumbo knob puzzle. We identified the vehicles. We learned how each vehicle moves or transport. And we also learned that if we use puzzle pieces, we can clap them together to make sound. Providers, when you allow your children to play with puzzles, they will be strengthening their cognitive skills, their problem-solving skills, using their hand and eye coordination, and developing their fine motor skills. As always, you are encouraged to send me pictures through email or by text message, and you can also contact me by email or text message if you have any concerns or questions about this week's VISM. Again, I thank you for watching. Thank you for allowing me into your daycare, and thank you for joining our Parent Child Plus family. Until next week, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.